In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Google Sheets. This skill is incredibly useful for drawing attention to important data or simply organizing your spreadsheet more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Google Sheets document open. If you're not sure how to find it, you can access Google Sheets by navigating to sheets.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Once you're in, open the specific spreadsheet you're planning to work on. Once you've got your Google Sheets document in front of you, take a moment to identify the cell or range of text you want to highlight. It could be a single cell, an entire row, or even a range of cells that spans multiple columns. To begin the process of highlighting, click on the cell or drag to select the range of cells that you'd like to highlight. You'll notice the selected cells are highlighted in blue, indicating they're ready for the next step. At this point, you need to look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. One key tool you'll want to find is the Fill Color button. It's often represented by a paint bucket icon. Click on this icon, which will bring up a palette of colors that you can use to highlight your cells. You can choose from a variety of standard colors. However, if you need a specific shade, there's an option to customize the color. To do this, click on Custom at the bottom of the color palette. There, you can create your very own custom color to suit your needs. Once you've clicked your preferred color from the palette, or after setting up your custom color, the selected cells will change to reflect your choice immediately, providing a visual cue that you've successfully highlighted those cells. This action draws attention to the important text or data within your spreadsheet. If you realize that you need a different color or want to remove the highlight altogether, simply repeat the process. Select the cell or range of cells again, and then either choose a new color or click on the Reset or Remove option, which is typically represented as a boxed X within the Fill Color menu. This will revert your selection back to its default settings. It's worth mentioning that this method of highlighting applies precisely to text within cells in Google Sheets. Experimenting with different colors for various datasets can significantly enhance the readability and the efficiency of your spreadsheet. So take your time to try out different combinations to see what best fits your particular needs. That's all for highlighting text in Google Sheets. Remember that practice makes perfect, and don't hesitate to explore the many features Google Sheets offers to further enhance your document's usability and appearance. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!